on the 28th of March 2023 we have Ulvilantie Uppsbyvägen 12 staircase A, and the building, residential building with 3 staircases here. It's here in Munkkivuori, Munkkivuori, Helsinki, Helsingin, Finland, close to Munkkiniemen Munkkivuori. The best is 3 versus 2 photographs. Was Konean pictures. When was about the original?
1962.
1962 by Helsingin Hissi. I'm 60 years older than last year, 2022. It was more 2005 pictures, and Silver Age 6206.
Not age.
Or age.
Yeah,
But
no, yeah, it had to
adapted.
later fit, yeah.
It will be inspected this year, but it doesn't. This also wasn't 1960.
Yeah. It's still more rare than 1963.
Yeah, because the only place we found it is in Lauttasaari, or Katajaharju.
Yeah.
But close to Koivusaari, Velkomen metro station.
Yeah.
And there is 3 of them original.
Yeah.
But I need to fill the stickers here. 3 rides in it.
Yeah. Niistä pitää vaikka vain me teen paisilla.
And then usually the basement door is wooden, but it's not white or something.
Yeah.
Inside. The buttons are not beeping, but they don't have to.
Yeah.
But still, it wasn't unnecessary one.
Yeah.
It was originally Helsingin Hissi brand 62.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's